Here's the quiet problem with exit interviews. You hold the conversation, you nod at the feedback, and then it vanishes. One goodbye at a time. This workbook keeps every departure in one place and turns it into the turnover numbers your leadership actually asks for. It all runs from the exit log. You add 1 row per departure and pick the team, the manager, the role, and the reason from dropdowns. From the hire and exit dates, it works out the tenure and the tenure band. From the reason, it fills in the category. From the role, it estimates a replacement cost. You fill the orange cells and the teal ones calculate. That last part is the trick free templates miss. Reasons typed as free text can never be counted, so the workbook gives you a structured taxonomy. 30 specific reasons, each mapped to a category, from compensation and career growth to management and work life. Pick one primary reason, and why people leave finally becomes a chart. The turnover dashboard reads it all live. Your turnover rate, the voluntary and involuntary split, and the number that matters most. How much of it was regrettable? The people you would have kept. A high rate that is mostly retirements is a very different story from a lower rate that is mostly your best people leaving. It breaks out by team and by manager too. 2 more tabs answer the questions a single rate cannot. Where do people leave? By tenure band, with early attrition flagged. And why? By reason category, split between voluntary and regrettable. An early spike points at hiring and onboarding. A reason cluster points at exactly which lever to pull. Then it puts a number on all of it. The cost of turnover tab estimates what the turnover cost you, total per departure, and the cost of your regrettable and voluntary losses, broken out by team and tenure, on a cost model you set yourself. It is the budget your retention plan competes against. And it is not just a spreadsheet. 4 written guides come with it. How to run a great exit interview with a question set you can print, how to read every turnover metric, with the built-in example walked through end to end, and a printable script and review sheet for the conversation itself. Best of all, you own the file. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice with no seats and no monthly bill. The structure you keep, sitting between a blank spreadsheet and an HR platform built for a company 10 times your size. Find it on ardentworkshop.com or the link below. Turn your exits into a trend you can act on.